Hi, this is Nick from the asinzen team. In this video, we will be looking at the two layouts that AZInsight supports, the single view mode and the multi-view mode. By default, AZInsight comes configured with the single view mode, which will show you the calculator and allow you to navigate to the stock checker variations viewer using the buttons on top of the tool. The multi-view mode will allow you to see all the features of AZInsight on the same window, with the ability to collapse each section one by one, which comes in handy when you want to see all the sections of the tool in one screen. Let's take a look at how to switch between the single view mode and the multi-view mode. Start by going to the gear settings icon and then click on View Settings. Locate the checkbox that says Multi-View Display. Click the checkbox and several options will appear underneath that say Show the following: Calculator, Variations, Stock Checker. If you want the multi-view display to show all these options, leave them as default. Click Save to apply the changes and then click the Calculator button. Now you'll notice that the multi-view display has been initialized. You can see the calculator, variations, and stock checker in the same window. On top of each section, a collapsible header will appear. Click on the up arrow to collapse that section. On the top of the tool, you'll see the navigation buttons: calculator, variations, stock checker. When you click these buttons, AZInsight will automatically focus to that section. If you wish to revert back to the single view mode, simply click the gear settings icon once again, then click View Settings. Locate the setting that says Multi-View Display and uncheck it. Click Save to apply your changes and click Calculator once again. The way to differentiate the single view mode versus the multi-view mode is if the calculator, variations viewer, and stock checker are on the same window, then you are in the multi-view mode. If this is not the case, then you are in the single view mode. If you have any questions on any of the features found inside AZInsight, simply contact us at support.asinzen.com, where a customer champion will be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.